Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. So we are opening up a ThredUP 15 piece. This one's from Phoenix, Arizona. I received it on 1/12 of 2023, so I figured we opened up some other ones, newer ones. Let's open up a one that's a little bit older. Can you believe it's almost 5-6 months old already? Nuts. And yes, I have a stash of like 37 boxes. I'm sure I have some from late or early 2022, but I digress. All right, we are going to go ahead and open this and see what we got. And this was from Phoenix, Arizona. Oh, no receipt. Oh, there it is at the bottom. All right. So let's see. I ordered this on January 6th of 2023. So here is first look. At least this one is in a bag, so that is great. We're going to take everything out and go through each piece. I'll be right with you. All right, you guys. Wow. And this has been sitting here since January of 2023. It's nice. I got a great box. So I'm going to clear this stuff off to the side a little bit, and then we'll go through each piece. All right, so here's the first piece. This is Candy's Breaking Hearts since 1981. Really cute bubblegum pink faux pearl plastic acrylic necklace. This would probably be a good seller because the Barbie movie is coming out. Yes, you heard me right. There is a Barbie movie coming out. This was originally sold at Kohl's for $20. It's super pretty. If you love this kind of bubblegum pink, this is for you. Let's do the Candy's necklace for $4. All right. We got next a J. Crew. Really pretty. I love this color combination. It is a like matte opaque green and then a dark teal gemstone here. There is a little bit of maybe lotion or something. This really needs a good little cleaning. It comes off, but it definitely needs a wipe down. I did not get a chance to wipe this down, but all of these stones are there. It's super pretty. It's 18 to 24 inches, and since it needs a little cleaning, let's do this for 10. It's beautiful. Nice piece. All right, I love Jewel Mint. I just think they make classic looking jewelry. So I'm not positive what the material is. This is a deep green. It is gold tone, vintage design, and it's an oval. And then here's the chain. It has the Jewel Mint tag right there. This measures anywhere from 30 to about 32¼ inches, fully extended. It's a nice piece, and I'm not positive what this is. I don't know if it's acrylic. It is pretty heavy. Let's do this for $6. Okay, next one. This is gorgeous. So here is, I don't know how you say it, Leaf AL, and if you do it backwards, it's Leaf as well, LEAF. So there you go. It's got a little jewel there. This is super pretty. So I was looking on their website, and let me get you out this bag. So this is originally part of the birthstone crystals. These are made with Swarovski crystals, and these are AB crystals. This is a pink, and it's silver tone and never been out. It's got a little information packet here. And it doesn't show the pink on here, so I am not positive what month it's supposed to be. But, you know, and I did not see the pink on their website, so I don't know. And I'm not sure of the age on this, but it is a super pretty, very nice. I looked online and looked up. They've got some really pretty jewelry. So for this new in the box, let's do 15 on that. Okay, so next up, we got this beautiful gold tone necklace. It has two little dainty stars. This is by JZJ. That is what the hang tag says. And JZJ is Jennifer Zahner. And this is called the Star Double Necklace. It's stainless steel plated with yellow gold. It is 18 to 20 inches with the extender. And we can do 8 on this. So, super pretty. Next up, we got some hollow earrings. These are gorgeous. These look really nice quality. They are gold tone. They are just base metal, but they are in really nice condition. I don't believe they were ever worn. We can do the hollow gold hoops for $5. All right. Then we got 4 different Alex and Ani bracelets. So the first one, let me see if you guys know what that is. Do you guys know what that is? That is the Delta Zeta sorority symbol bracelet. There is some wear on here. These brass tones do get wear on it. It is still a really cute bracelet. We will do this Alex and Ani, the Delta Zeta, for $3. Okay, so next up we have the Goddaughter. This one's in a little bit better condition. It says Goddaughter with a beautiful flower. Love it. These are adjustable bracelets. This one we can do for $3 as well. Just make sure you say Goddaughter. Then we've got Sister. All right, let me get up here. This one's also in pretty nice condition. It says Sister right there with a flower. We can do this one for $3. And one more. This is Northeastern with a bear paw. So I believe this is a college. It is a brass tone as well. And we can do this one for $3. Sticking with bracelets. Okay, so we got a Charter Club bracelet. I love this. It is a stretch. There are beads in between, and this was originally from Macy's, $34.50. It's called the Silver Filigree Ball Stretch Bracelet. It's really lovely. We can do this for $5. Next bracelet is gorgeous. When I first saw this, I was like, wow. This is Brighton, and it's still a wow piece. I love Brighton. This looks so well made. You can see the bee right there. It is a lovely, lovely piece. This one is like an Art Deco design, and it's like scroll. It is 7 3/4 on the mandrel, and it's 2.5 inches exactly across. So for this Brighton, let's do 18. All right. Moving to the next bracelet, Givenchy. This is beautiful. It's marked Givenchy right there. Beautiful paves. There are Swarovski crystals. That's what this is made out of. It looks like all of the stones are there. You know what? I did not get a measurement. Let me go ahead and measure this. So I'm not going to measure this clasp here, just so you have a little wiggle room. I would say exactly a 7. No larger. Beautiful Givenchy bracelet. Just gorgeous. Let's do this for 18 as well. All right. Next up, we got a fashion ring. This is silver tone. It has faux rhinestones. It is just silver tone. It is a pretty little fashion ring. There you go. It's got some wear to it. And we can do this for $2. All right. Next up, we got this box. Giuliani. Beautiful sterling silver ring. This is a size 9. I did test it. It is beautiful. Let me bring this up to you. It is thin and dainty, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a size 9, so I can get it on my fat little finger there. There we go. It is beautiful with pave. Lovely. It is very comfortable. I like the thinner rings. So for this new in box, we can do, let's do 28 for this, and it's a size 9. Okay, so here we go. All right, Cartier Love Ring. This is a fake, and the reason I can tell you it is a fake is it is engraved love right here. Okay, and there is no Cartier written script inside. Cartier signs their product. So if you look here, it has love, and then it says 750, and then 56. 750 is supposed to be 18 karat gold. It's not 18 karat gold. It does have a number, and that number is not a legit number. So this is a fake Cartier Love Ring. It is beautiful. It's actually a very nice replica. There's a little smuts or something right here. I'm not sure if that's a scratch, but you could wear that on the inside. So I am going to go ahead and sell it. You guys can email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com, and we can discuss it through email. And I want everyone to understand it is a fake ring. You are buying a fake Cartier ring if you do decide to get it. But it is very pretty. So yeah, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All right. So next up, we've got 14 karat white gold and pearl necklace. It is gorgeous. It is marked FG, and then 14K. And here is the chain. I did test it. The chain itself is marked Italy 585, which is 14 karat gold. And Italy on there. It is beautiful. I believe it's 16 inches. Let me go ahead and check it. Now, you could add an extender. Yes, it is a 16-inch, 14 karat gold and beautiful pearl necklace. We can do $150 for that. All right, then we got the matching ring. Okay, so the reason why I'm not selling them as a set is because this ring is a size 4.5. You heard it right, a size 4.5. Pretty small. I think it's going to be kind of hard to find someone that loves it, but it is 14 karat gold. It is marked and tested. Same design, same manufacturer, marked with an FG, 14K. It's absolutely beautiful. That's as far as I can get it on, but it is a size 4.5. We can do $100 on it. Absolutely beautiful. So what do you guys think? What a great lot. And this has been sitting at my house since January, just stewing away. So, yeah, I wonder how many other wonderful treasures I have just sitting around that I haven't even gotten to yet. So let me know in the comments, you guys. And if you're interested, just remember this is a fake Cartier. And there are some good websites and YouTube videos that do explain about the fakes. So, all right, you guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite piece is. What's mine? I really love the Brighton. I mean, the 14 karat gold and the Givenchy are beautiful, but I love this Brighton. This is right up my alley. Design style that I like to wear. Normally I'd wear it in sterling, and this won't fit me. It's a little too small. But yeah, so and if you are interested, please email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All the information can be found right down there in the description area. You will notice under the title it says more. That is where you click and you can get the information. So, all right, you guys, I can't wait to open another one. I may go try to find my old stash from like January. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. All right. Bye-bye. Be well. Take care of each other.